Hi everyone, my name is Matthew, and today I will be going over my team's project, TeamQ, and some of the aspects I worked on. To start off on some of the technical details, I was one of two team members focusing on the front end of the project. There were two main aspects of the UI that I worked on. The first was the general page layouts and navigation UI. This included the nav bar, which was dynamic to the state of the user being logged in, shown here. It shows the option to log in or create an account when no user is logged in, but when a user does log in, it changes to show a logout option and a link to the user's profile page. Here's for logged in versus logged out here. This allows for the user to only be presented options that are relevant to them, which helps with the usability of the interface. The navbar was implemented using Bootstrap, a library which can be used to help create web GUIs easily. The other main aspect that I focused on was the dashboard page, shown down here. This page was very important to the project as a whole because it is the main page that contributes to one of the project's goals, providing useful feedback to the user about their progress in the many skills the website can help them practice. To implement some of the final data displays found on our dashboard page, I used Google Charts, a library offered by Google which can be used to create dynamic data visualizations. One of the major challenges that I faced was finding the best way to display feedback data. There were two main components to this. The first was finding the most useful form to display the data in for the users. To solve this problem, a few members of our team did background research on learning technologies and how to make them most useful for the users. This helped us decide on the final data visualizations that we went with. The second aspect of finding the best way to display feedback data was finding the best tool to actually display the data on the dashboard. After searching through several available options, I elected to go with Google Charts because it both allowed for easy on-the-fly creation of data visualizations, but also offered data visualizations with a level of interactivity that could provide additional information to the user. By combining the solutions to both halves of this problem, I believe I have created a dashboard page which fulfills the project's major objective of providing useful feedback to the user.